There's a confusion around content modeling that happens even within vendors, I've noticed, where content models are basically presentation models. So the content model in some vendors' mind is how the blocks of text are arranged in a page. So the model is talking about page as the output, really, or the container for the content types. This creates a page-oriented, output-oriented mindset rather than a true composable, reusable knowledge set. For example, the idea of being able to reuse the right question and the right answer inside of a marketing piece, that really becomes important that it is tagged semantically and containerized at the question and answer level. That can be recombined into different scenarios where we're answering questions. As we're moving towards more chat-based interfaces, right? With ChatGPT, all enterprise software is going to change, all of it. It's already changed. It's changing at light speed in front of our eyes. There's going to be a need for enterprise publishers who don't want to have ChatGPT guessing the right answer for everything, right? To build answers that are blessed canonically, but then resurfaceable within chat, within interfaces. There's a lot of standards out there for interoperability of content objects. Schema.org is one I mentioned. There's Darwin Information Type Architecture, or DITA, that's out there in the tech docs world, but it's being applied in many other places now too. It's a very specific kind of a content model. There's Dublin Core, which has got sort of metadata standards and whatnot. There are third parties that have put bunches of time and money and resources over time in collaborating on how content moves. The reason that that's useful is you use that as an ingredient in your core content model. A calls it the core content model, which is the enterprise-wide system-independent content model that inherits from the headless and inherits from the data structures that are standard in the market, like schema.org and DITA, and inherits from all the different places that need it and creates essentially a set of mappings that allows content to be coherent when everybody uses that and works against a rationalized content model. The only way that works is with team assigned to it. And so the reason that these things get stuck is that most teams are only assigned to kind of build the website, right? And so they don't have time to think about the enterprise-wide content model, right? So the people that are watching this are forward-thinking, brave, because they're thinking bigger. We've seen more and more C-level content initiatives coming into being. And we've chartered a number of these content service organizations inside of enterprises. So we've seen the money flowing around orchestrating content, getting those to have the right kind of sway and position in an enterprise and funding in order to give them actual ability to help the orchestration process without becoming this stopping block, centralized everything stopping block, right? That's the balance. We have to be able to empower the creators. That's why we're really interested in Figma plugins. We want to connect creators with structure without giving them shackles. I believe we need a world where we have schemas that are portable, content models that expresses data schemas that actually can be exchanged between systems.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to catch the latest episodes. Check out all the content on simpleA.com. And until we meet again, let's take one step at a time towards a smarter world.